Hey, Emmeline. We are going to do a retell. And so, in that brown manila folder that Mr. Dunn will be bringing home, there is a paper in there that says retell. So, that is what I'm referring to when you need to glue that into your reading notebook, and that has the steps on it. So, what a retell is when I ask you, hey, Emmeline, tell me what you're reading or what the story is about. What I would like you to do is you're going to tell me just about one chapter that you've read. So if you listen to the read aloud, we read one chapter, the first chapter in there. And if you said, Mrs. Lull, tell me about what you're reading in Tales of the Fourth Grade Nothing, I would say, well, in the first chapter, there was a character named Peter, although I don't think they tell you it was Peter, but I know it's Peter because I read the book. And Peter went to a birthday party and he was so excited because for a prize, he won a turtle. And he named his turtle Dribble. And he was talking about what his biggest problem was. And he said that it wasn't the turtle. And then we met his mom, and his mom wasn't real sure about having Dribble in the house because it smelled. But he said his mom wasn't his biggest problem. Then he mentioned his dad, and he said his dad liked to watch TV a lot, but that was part of his job, and his dad wasn't his biggest problem. Finally, at the end of the chapter, he tells us what his biggest problem is, and it is his 2-year-old brother named Fudge, because Fudge always gets into his things. That is a retell. So, what I would like you to do today, Emmeline, is you can pick any book that you want to read, preferably a chapter book. Spend 20 minutes reading. If you it doesn't have to be I read one chapter, read as much as you want. And then in your reading notebook, I want you to write a retell.